What do you think about this house? Not too shabby, huh? Nice little place. And that moment you realize that is just the guest house. It's gotta be somebody, right? Okay, today we're gonna do some smart film. Let's do it. Alright, for all you pros, don't judge me. This is only my third time doing smart film, and my first time doing it in a framed window. Is it anything like tinting? No. There's no soapy water. These metal bars here didn't line up, so I had to do a little trimming. Use heavy-duty scissors to cut this stuff. You can't bend it a certain way. You can't stab it. The walls, the floor, the door, everything was cleaned with alcohol. The window is cleaned with Windex, and then I wipe everything down with alcohol. Throughout this whole process, I'm using latex gloves while I'm cutting the film, prepping the film, putting my tape on it. I have tape on there. You do 2 inches at a time, so it's a little difficult. Like I said, this is my first time doing a framed window. It's really easy when you have an open piece of glass you could just work on, but still at the same time, everything has to be so clean. You can't have the oil from your fingers, and if you get a smallest thing in there, it looks like you got a brick in there. The way you clean it is you use a piece of tape. You have to lift it up carefully and get the tape out of there, or get the whatever's in there out of there. But like I said, it's no fun. Very time consuming. No water, no soap, just alcohol, Windex, latex gloves, some heavy duty scissors. I used some blue tape to mark the door and the film to where I wanted it. It's kind of a struggle because it's once you have it down and you about 3/4 of the way, if it doesn't line up, you got to pull that whole piece up. So best thing is just make sure it lines up right away. Like I said, you're only doing this stuff 2 inches at a time. But yeah, let's check out the rest of the house. Finish up this smart film. Once I get some more hands on, and I'll make a better video. But if you're a tinner and you want to try some smart film, it's not impossible. It's different. It's definitely different. It's definitely a learning process. But if you can tint, it's definitely something you can do. It's almost like a mixture of vinyl and real thick vinyl. But yeah, it sticks dry. Everything's dry. It's got some kind of adhesive on it. I forgot what they called it. But yeah, you gotta be careful of the wires. The wires are really thin. I feel like if you just hit them the wrong way, you'll knock them off. You see I'm going a couple inches at a time. No air, no dirt. Everything's got to be so clean. I'll say it again. Wipe down the walls, the door, the floor, everything. I went over all my clothes with tape to make sure I had no lint on myself. That's how clean you have to be when you're messing with this stuff. But yeah, let's check out the rest of the house. Some smart film. This guy's still gotta come and wire it. He's gonna try and wire it to the door. Still got the protective liner on it. This stuff is not fun. Looks cool though. And when your laundry room has 2 washers and 2 dryers, the heater. Master bedroom, master bath. More smart film. Smart tinting. Another washer and dryer. Walk-in closet. Washer and dryer in the walk-in closet. That's crazy. Her bathroom. His bathroom. Got all the bells, whistles, and sprays.